Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to share something with you that feels like it's straight out of the future. So I was scrolling through some tools for creating content, and I stumbled upon something called TalkingBooks. At first I thought, oh, another ebook tool, but let me tell you, this is nothing like that. It completely redefines how we think about digital publishing. If you've ever dreamed of creating engaging, interactive books without all the hard work, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let me ask you something. How many times have you downloaded an ebook only to completely forget about it? I know I've done it more times than I can count. That's the problem with traditional ebooks. They're static. They sit on your device, gathering dust. Readers are looking for something new, something that keeps them engaged. That's exactly what TalkingBooks delivers. It's the world's first AI-powered app that creates interactive talking books in just 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 60 seconds. Here's how it works. TalkingBooks uses advanced AI to take a simple idea, keyword, or concept and turn it into a complete professional-looking book. And we're not just talking about plain text on a page. These books actually speak to the reader. Imagine creating a children's storybook where the characters come to life with voices or a business guide that narrates itself. It's like giving your content a whole new dimension. And the best part? You don't need any technical skills or prior experience to do it. What really blew me away is how simple it is. You start by logging in to the app. Then you choose your niche, whether it's business, health, travel, fiction, or something else, and let the AI do its magic. Within seconds, you have a fully designed interactive book ready to go. You can customize it further with pre-designed templates, drag-and-drop elements, and even QR codes. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Once your book is ready, the possibilities are endless. You can publish it on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, Apple Books, or even eBay. You can also embed affiliate links directly into the books, creating an additional income stream. That means your books aren't just interactive, they're also profitable. And let's not forget, you keep 100% of the earnings. No sharing, no hidden fees. Another thing I love about TalkingBooks is its versatility. You can create books in over 100 languages, so you're not limited to just one audience. Whether you're targeting English-speaking readers or expanding into global markets, this tool has you covered. It's perfect for anyone looking to scale their digital publishing business or even start one from scratch. And because the books are interactive, they hold the reader's attention much longer than traditional ebooks ever could. What's even better is the current offer. Right now, you can get lifetime access to TalkingBooks for a one-time price. That's no monthly fees, no subscriptions, just a single payment. Plus, they're throwing in bonuses worth over $1,600, which include additional tools to make your book stand out even more. But this deal won't last forever, so if you're even remotely interested, now's the time to act. I genuinely think this tool is a game changer for anyone in digital publishing. Whether you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, or someone who just wants to share their ideas with the world in a unique way. The interactive publishing trend is growing fast, and tools like TalkingBooks are paving the way for the future. So, what do you think? Are you ready to dive into the world of interactive books and leave traditional ebooks behind? Let me know in the comments. If you're as excited about this as I am, I've left a link below where you can check it out. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.